Welcome to my YouTube channel, where I will be sharing a winning trading strategy that combines two different moving average indicators. If you're looking to make some profits from your trades, then you've come to the right place. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to use these indicators together and how they can give you a powerful edge in the market. But before we dive in, make sure to stay until the end because I'll be revealing some tips and tricks that you won't want to miss. I promise you that by the end of this video, you'll have a better understanding of how to use these indicators and how you can apply them to your own trading strategy. So sit back, relax, and get ready to learn how to make your trades more profitable with this winning strategy. Let's get started. Before we start the training, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell. By doing so, you can help me reach a wider audience and provide more value. Thank you. The moving average lines with two different parameters that we set for the indicator will be sufficient for this strategy. It is a straightforward, non-fantastical method that even professionals frequently use. The best part of this strategy is that traders can adjust the rules according to their own risk perceptions. The only absolute rule in trading is to enter long positions when the 21-parameter moving average is above the 55-parameter orange moving average, and enter short positions when it is below. Apart from this, traders can take profits or close positions at 1 to 1.5, 1 to 2, or 1 to 3 levels, and use the orange moving average line as a stop-loss level, sliding the stop-loss level just behind the movement of the line throughout the trade as a trailing stop-loss. Now, let's practice with an example. The necessary conditions for a short position are as follows. First, the blue line must be below the orange line. Then a green candlestick must close between the two lines, and finally, a red candlestick must close below the blue line. Once all these conditions are met, the trader enters into a short position. I am setting the risk-reward ratio for this trade at 1 to 3. Now let's look at an example of a long position. For a long position, the blue line must be above the orange line. First, a red candlestick must close between the two lines, and then a green candlestick must close above the blue line. Once all these conditions are met, the trader can enter into a long position. Let's see another trading example. By keeping the simple rules in mind, Now please pay attention to this long trade. After all the entry conditions are met, I will place the stop loss level below the closest swing. Please watch. As you can see, the price hit the stop loss level in a very short time. What if we had placed the stop loss level below the lowest level? Without worrying when entering the trade, let's see. The point I wanted to demonstrate in this example is that many traders place their stop loss at the nearest possible level because they doubt whether they have analyzed the trade correctly. Considering this as a safe zone is one of the biggest misconceptions. However, placing the stop loss level below the lower low level, although it may seem far away, can be the most effective location because the market makers, also known as big capital owners, generally turn the price back from these levels. This important information is another point that should be kept in mind for those who follow our training courses carefully. Let's end our video here. If you like the educational content on our channel, please share it on your social media accounts. This way, you'll make an important contribution to the growth of the channel. See you again. Goodbye.